Am I the only one that didn't know the Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen? Let's explore this life-giving wonder. The Amazon rainforest, often called the lungs of the earth, is a vibrant world teeming with life. Stretching across 9 countries, it houses millions of species, from colorful birds to elusive jaguars. It's not just about the animals. The Amazon is crucial for regulating our climate and providing oxygen. But it's facing serious threats like deforestation and climate change. We lose an area the size of a football field every minute. Protecting the Amazon is critical for our planet's health. Join us in spreading awareness and supporting conservation efforts. Together we can make a difference. Stay curious, stay green.